I recently did a video on bamboo and using it as a building material. And I got some comments from people who were saying, be careful about bamboo, it's invasive here. And I completely agree. Bamboo needs to be used responsibly. So I'm going to show you two different types and then send you on your way to go figure out if bamboo is the right plant for you. What you're looking at here is a bamboo clump. This area right here is a bamboo clump. There's two types of bamboos. There's clumpers, like this one, and this clump, I've harvested all these canes to use in the trellis project you were just looking at. So the point here is see how it grows in a clump, okay? And this is probably 13, 14 years old. I don't know what variety it is, but this type of bamboo is a runner. And what that means is it doesn't stay in a clump. It shoots runners everywhere. And it can travel into places maybe you didn't intend. So it can jump into neighbors' yards and stuff. And it can actually go quite a distance. So that went from my neighbor's yard, under our fence, through that dirt, underneath the sidewalk, and up into my pond. All that to say is that there's two types of bamboo. There's clumping bamboo, and then there's running bamboo. So please do your research and find out what's appropriate in your area and what you intend to use it for, and what's a responsible bamboo to have, and you're good to go. Thanks.